Ebonyi son one bizagon. Ebonyi son we one kago. On our bay for Hano DVD. You just wear a black solitaire. Man, I get that fear. A much yage.
Ha? Nwata buleru 10 years
Nda boy.
Arụ tinjilek.
Nda boy ndo.
Watch here.
The go do bridge. Bridge abukwa. Just a stone throw to local government headquarters as are not. A stone throw, very, very close. But in the good.
Look at this bridge.
Okay. But watch your bridge. Mads up, aged parents, small youths may will land across Allah their place. And never a bridge. Then you see Mona, Keka Geshimana and Bushin Tashi the week. One day just met you go Gobro wa Chocha Basa. Nah. Ala hola William Mangaku. And that's Andy Bayata who. Bridge and Tadleko. Very, very close to local government headquarters like are not local government headquarters here. But look at it. Motarama one bridge thought it. And we got a local government chairman, we're senator, we're House of Rep member, we're commissioners, les are not all of that. Let's look at this place. You go there's not like a big. Sure.
Ebonyi son one bizagon. Ebonyi son we one kago. On our bay for Hano DVD. You just wear a black solitaire. Man, I get that fear. A much yage. Happy for Zioku. Keep on shouting 4x4. You guys shout to get 4x4. A vote to go 4x4 out without achieving one single project. Flight since for how many years? I'm able to that election that time I had to say. All those things in Africa, people doesn't know that I am a Messiah. I'm Messiah today, boy. When it come in terms of media work, they use them mightily to liberate the people of Ebonyi. Back 4x4. In 21st century, a road leading to government house, to secretariat, a road leading to government is not secretariat headquarter. In a chamber, the governor Amaram you don't exist. On the local exist, man, I have to go by general flyover. Nimo here, even economic value. Ne flyover and Carraro, I could go to 1 to 2. Because neji local contractor. The contractor onye Lebanon ko onye Lebanese na uzo ekeri onwo. You will not blame him. Before una put online, they criticize that Lebanese na aru iro. Uru ga put online gba say ego ne kuru nyere onya. Ego ne kunu sign as contract. How much deal kunu sign the jaro fly over then? How much did you give the contractor? How many hand can the ego bara before you contractor? Contractor, you will not blame him. And I contractor finish. And I see make a pen. And I see the flag off. Finish. Contractor where about 18. About 80. Will they miss you for investment? And I rose bridge. Bridge can under construction. Bridge now body. Chineke we knew no if any chuku no what if any chuku and cost on Kendiaga. Bani choose. Unu we bani choose asomere. Unu we boy homa na be boy asomere. If you so many people who they paid you. God in heaven will bear me witness if I choose have ever paid me to campaign for him. April slippers member. If like this, if any choose has ever called me saying J-Pack, how much I will pay you to campaign for me. And you choose has never paid me all than a life and on the video. Let him hear me. If he has paid me to campaign for him, but I see him as a good man. I see him as a liberator. I see him as a conqueror. I see him as a man who have technical know-how, a man who have foresight, a man of high intellect. I see him as somebody that will be a worthy of emulation. When other states vote with their governors, that now you choose will be like Alesoti of our time. This is what I want in an Igbo. Can we 5 Alesoti na Igbo? Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra. Can we 5 Alesoti? If na Igbo ya deka small London. Igbo mamma nwere onye na-ekwu maka Biafra. Onye ga na-eti mkpu Biafra because gịnị ihe a na-achọ ka anyị nwere onwe anyị as Biafra. 5 governors arụghị. Anyị arụghị ruo train station, ruo road, ruo hospital, basic amenities. Ndị Ebonyi steeti unu nwa wee forsake ya anyị choose wee jee koburu ihe nripịa wee koburu 4x4 because na anyị na-eti mkpu na tribalism na-egbu Nigeria, but na our own inner tribalism but the worst tribalism ever. In that case, we are not suffering from any tribalism because in criticize and Hausa na Igbo, Hausa na Yoruba, we match together. That tribalism is killing us. What happened to inside tribalism? So Ebonyi cannot project a brother for Bukonye Ebonyi. Koje na puta haraka koje na puta ko liberate ya. Instead, Hanase, my brother there on the Chasat Kuru, and Hachibona, Dachibona, no, done by ton. Done by ton, ye moon on abject poverty. If for Tombaton, who gave moon on abject penury. All done by ton came back the way we could Muki Muki name when he home 1 hour. Oh, but then I fly over, but I'll fly over the wagon to all like this. It confused when he home 1 hour. On our obodo Igbo na afụ development mana agbagode say obodo Igbo ha na abịa na afụ development, can he implement one inch of percent of development on afụ obodo Igbo? You know, implement 0.5%. Omeme mana ọ ga-eji flyover na arụ n'ime ọhịa. Tinubu agwakwa onye indirectly that na all those governors na-eje eburu flyover na arụ n'ime ọhịa where there is no value, no economic value. If you build flyover finish without the road leading to being a flyover, they messed up. Okay, all the projects your successor happen where you go there, none of them has been maintained. What can they maintain? Ebonyi people, I urge you to join hands together, just strive to get your voters card and vote in this man in power. If I for the betterment of Ebonyi and also betterment of Igbo. Because in Anambra they benefit n'aka ndị Ebonyi. Ndị Enugu they benefit n'aka ndị Ebonyi. Ndị Abia they benefit n'aka ndị Ebonyi. Imo they benefit n'aka ndị Ebonyi. All Ebonyi now supply nkume eji arụ ụlọ na Southeast. All those nkume a na-ebu na all those okwute niile a na-ebu na Ebonyi steeti. Kedu ihe eji eme ka ọ na ndị a na-ebu ya na-akwụ tax? All the contractors now in the state and now mineral resources on a government gini ka eji arụ on hand have tax. John the liberator like any choose and it shall be well within the Ebonyi. Thank you.